Good morning and welcome to Lance. Not too much water coming through there right now. Culverts, I think, is the reason that we had all this failure for the water to have a place to go, so it just tore out areas. So we're right across from Omaha Track here. This is reminiscent of the Father's Day flood. There's two rails there. Both places are two. That's unusual. Anyhow, I took a lot more. I'll be posting on this same post. Thanks for joining me. See you trackside. Welcome to Lance. We had some rain last night, and wow, Baraga County roads are in terrible condition. A lot of roads washed out. We had to come to the mountains to get here today. Wow, look at that. Boy, it's going to be some time before the train makes it back. That is amazing. I saw Steve and Barry and some other people leaving, so they're probably checking everything out to see exactly what needs to be done here. We are right next to the Falls River. It looks like the culvert's over where I am. The road's out where I live in Skanee. All over US 41 is one lane. It's like the culverts were overwhelmed. Good afternoon. Here we are back at Falls River Drive, just over from the drive. And the guys worked all day yesterday on this section and the section on US 41. So they got at least another day's work here, maybe more. Looks like somebody's up there on the tracks. Yep. Huh. So this is Lance Hill. And we had 4 inches of rain overnight, a couple nights ago. And we really had a lot of damage done in the area. Looking forward to the train that comes in after this. It should have quite a few cars on it. The road here washed out just around the corner. I mean, totally washed out. Just amazing the things that can happen from water. So this is the 17th, and I believe I took video the 15th of the damage, and it was the night before that it happened, flash floods. So I imagine they'll be back Monday. We are just above Ford Switch. That is US 41 down there. Okay, thanks for joining me. See you trackside. This is a nice little creek that flows into the Falls River. It runs along the road here. I'll have to see where it comes from exactly. But wow, there's for drainage right there. Look at that, eh? That is amazing. There's the pipe over there, culvert. Wow. Yowzer. So it looked like a little drop down here. Pretty little creek. Anyhow, that's what we got for you right now. It'll be a while before this gets fixed. Thanks for joining me. Wow, look at that water. That is Lance Bay, Keweenaw Bay. We had an all-night rain, and it didn't seem to rain hard, but the rivers and streams and little waterways just really washed out. Lots of roads are washed out. Huron Bay looks the same. Wow. Fog banks all over. Amazing. Can't even see Pequaming. Wow. And there is our Bishop Baraga.